Hey guys, it's me. So, I need to make a video, I guess, to sort of, apologize. You know how people have, been losing subscribers? Sorry about that. I've been kind of busy the past, couple of days, and to tell you the truth, I didn't know YouTube was going to delete all those dead accounts. So, if you lost a bunch of subscribers, that was my fault. And I apologize. A lot of people think that I don't kill that many people, but I just don't document all of the people that I kill, just high-profile people like Naltz. So I just wanted to apologize. Listen to me. I'm apologizing. I'm talking about Naltz. I'm turning into Christopher Mass over here. No, seriously, I apologize, because, even I lost a bunch of subs. Did you really? No, not really. See what I did there? I tried to do that cool thing that people do when they talk to themselves in the vlogs. I'm just trying to fit in. All right, well, that's all I wanted to say. Like I said, I didn't know YouTube was going to delete all those accounts that I killed. Let's face it, they weren't watching your videos anymore anyway. All right, well, that's all I have to say. I'll see you soon.